Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. Here we have a whole bunch of old coal drills and been in the wet, see? In the wet and damaged the armature and the gear setup. Some of them really bad rust out. Some of them got the problem with the cord, the lead, and this one got the problem with the raining, the gear dry out and got water into. One of the most expensive one is the Phase 2. But today all the Chinese one, I try to get some good one out the 4. So we're gonna test all out and see some wire cut and rust out. Even all this rust out. And try to get some prepare if I could to get one good one out of it. And see this one. Luckily inside here the armature still look good, but all rust out. We're gonna make it look like new. Clean up and do the clutch again. And all the oil here for the gear were very terrible. We're gonna put some on and make some output good one. And we have some second-hand coil drill for sale, or we're gonna use it or give it to a friend if they want it, so they can have it for borrow for using cheap Chinese version. But it's sometimes it works really good and you know better than you have to buy a new one. So stay tuned. Simon gonna take some open up like this one. You see, check the feel, everything inside all right. Here the brush set, rust it out, clean, and then come back and clean all out. And we can have some very good tools. New cable. This is how I could do. I go to the brush wire and sand back a little bit. Make everything inside new first and make it look good before we do the outside. So get all the rust out, and then if you want to paint, you can paint in different color if you want, or you want to keep the same. Checking all the gears, see they working all good. See, clean this one, clean and flow, get a good wash out of it. And then we put new gear oil, any new gear oil. Okay, I put the new gear oil. You can put the 9080, and this one is stuck them on the tie the gear, and it should look like brand new. Okay, this is the Chinese version, but it's actually still better working than the European one day. Okay, we clean this one out after we clean everything out. Okay, yeah, just like that. Over here, put this one on and protection, so it's that it came off. So blow out. Okay, good service, good flow, and go in. Okay, the go on one side, the long ones. For this one, please put some Loctite, because it's very strong bolt and holding here is amazing. So make sure it's super tight with the Loctite. Okay, so the gear now freely spin. See it should be working good. Okay, we put this one on, the clip on the top of the bearings go in, and this one go in anyway. See, you can see it's free spinning. Okay, put the ball back and clean the outside later, and we do the other 3. We do the other 3 and we will have some very good one. It's still working good, just rusted inside. Service the gearbox and the lead, have to put a new one on. It should work. I'll show you. It should work. And yeah, in we collection we got 3, 4, 5 coil drill. This one they leave out the rain, and hopefully it should work still. For example, this one, we got the lid on, and look at it. Something wrong with the lid at all, the power. Hopefully it's working good with the live service. Time for the lid and see how it go. Okay, it's all rusty. We put the lid on and we clean the outside too. So that's how you service the inside first. everything was rushed out. See, super hard to get it out. See. They've been living out the rent for many years before they come and bring it here for Simon. So just go out like that. Shit. Hopefully the water will not get inside the motor. See? A lot of water inside and moist, you see? Water. See how they left the tools out the rent for that many years? But anyway, repair it. See if we can use it or throw away. So if it works, I give some for my friends. Some for my friends we have. And we are bingos, man. Bingo, man. Okay. Like that. Like that. Get it out. Normally the factory come out with the reset box, but we don't have one. Okay, it's all right. It's not from the manufacturer no more. Try to fix them and without the box. Okay, we don't have the box, sorry. And the box will cost about $60–70. It's good for someone who got a box just in case the water got in and short out the power. That's all. It's all about the water, the safety from the factory. They need it, but up to this day, it should be alright. Okay, it's like that, and we put this one there. Okay, just like that. Shit, I mean, we forgot something, but anyway, for testing, put this one on and holding hand there and testing. Okay, just for testing. So, right, second gear. First gear. It's working very well. Look at that. Second gear. See, second gear. It's faster. And third gear. See? It's working very healthy. Okay, now we put everything back together. We got one down. We move to the next one. And after you want to clean inside out, up to you. Okay, we check the gap, so why it's not going down properly. We have to make sure it's on position, because all the wire here is really tricky. One thing pop out, they wouldn't get into places, then they couldn't go down. Okay, and this side. Okay, make sure it's super strong. Okay, we can clean the outside later, and we have to fix the water hose first too, and the bar. One more test before we put away for this job. So this one go in and should be perfect. Okay, perfect. In gear, second gear. See, second gear. See? It's like a Makita jackhammer. Sometimes when you replace the gear, move the gear, look, it's stuck, right? What we're doing, just a little bit, and then it go in, and then now it go on all the way. See? And then third gear. See? It's still stuck. See? See? And then that's it. Okay, go back to second gear. See? Go back to first as well. So first one, mix out the gear, you see? Go in. Go in. That's it. All the way down is first one. See how it is? And yeah, later clean up all here, make it look good. If you want to paint in any color you want, as long as working good and strong. And the oil inside the gearbox is new. Put the handle back. and fix the water line. See the handle go in. Very important, this one you need handle when you're drilling. You can hold by hand, but you need the handle, okay? And water is very important too. So put a fitting for the water, and then done. We got a beautiful cold drills, yeah? So I'm gonna do now 1, 2, and another 3 to go. And I got myself 5 cold drill. People throw away with it rusted and repair. Okay guys, thanks for watching Simon 2. This is cold drill repair from my friend. Throw out 5 cold drill, old one, it live in the rain and rusted and broken lead and switch. So this is how I repair.